things you will need: a chalk, nail cutter, and a bowl of water to moisten the chalk. Step number 1: moisten the chalk thoroughly so that it becomes softer and it doesn't crumble up into pieces when you start carving on it. So this step is necessary. Step 2 is to carve something like this. And guys, while doing this, watch out my strokes because they are important. And yes, first we'll start by making a rough outline by lightly carving the chalk, and then we will just make the grooves even more deep by rubbing it on a specific point. Don't rub on a specific point for too long, otherwise the chalk may break. And apply equal pressure everywhere so that it looks. So step 2 is nearly done. So let's move on to step 3, and it's to make something like this. Okay, so again watch my strokes, and other advices are the same. So we are done with the step number 4, and step number 5 is to make something like this, like a pillar. And in this center part will be the thickest, and it will go thinner and thinner towards the end. First I will mark till where it will last, and I think this is the longest part of our chalk carving, and this is the easiest part too. So we are done with the step number 5, and step number 6 is to do something like this. Above the pillar we made, we're gonna make something that we made in the first step or the second step. So we are done with the step number 5, and step number 6 is to make something like this above the thing we made right now. So again watch out my stroke, I have moistened the chalk again, and the tips and or the advices are the same. Okay, sorry for the thing that the chalk is not visible. Step number 7 is to cut off the excess part, and it takes no time. Just keep the required part or else you can. Okay, now step 8 is to make the tip flat of our chalk. As you can see, we will make the end, the left area for the carving which was left flat. We will flat a bit. We will carve it from one side of, and then from other, from one and then other, and take it near the center. Be sure to make it carefully as I have broken many chalks while doing this, and be patient cause this irritated me a lot. Now next step to make something like this, and as you can see what I am doing is first starting to make the grooves kind of things, and then I'm going to cut the excess part. And step number 9 must also be done really carefully, because if you just break this you will lose all your like hard work. And step number 10 is the final step and hardest step also. Okay, so we have to you have to make the head of the king complete by making the down part, and step number 9 and 10 together form a cross kind of thing. I have also cleaned it with a soft brush or painting brush like this. So guys, we are nearly done with this. Oh, not nearly, we are done with it. And now these are the end results from various angles. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your artistic friends, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more artistic videos like this. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified of all my new videos. And also comment what you thought of this and on which video would you like the next video to be. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video.